Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson.
Great, I am ready to write.
We will review bedroom objects and there is and there are by writing short English sentences. First, we do listen and write, a short dictation to practice spelling and sentences. Second, we do make a sentence, where you write your own simple sentences.
So, we practice the old words by writing them.
Exactly. Keep your pencil ready, and let's start. Listen and write. Listen and write. Listen and write is a dictation. I will read a short text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay, I will listen carefully and write.
Step 1 is listen to the whole text, so you hear the text one time first. Step 2 is write what you hear, so you write during the dictation. Step 3 is check and correct, so you compare your writing with the original text and fix mistakes. Do not worry about being perfect. Listen for bedroom words, and there is or there are. And now the dictation begins. In my bedroom, there is a bed with a blue blanket. There are 2 pillows on the bed. There is a lamp on the nightstand, and there is a small clock. There are clean clothes in the wardrobe. There isn't a mirror, but there is a soft rug by the door. Now I will read the text slowly, piece by piece. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Good. Write the first words now. In my bedroom. There is a bed with a blue blanket. There are 2 pillows on the bed. There is a lamp on the nightstand. And there is a small clock. There are clean clothes in the wardrobe. There isn't a mirror. But there is a soft rug by the door. Great work, everyone. Nexo, how was the dictation for you?
It was okay, but some words were difficult.
Now compare your writing with the original text and correct any mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we start Make a Sentence. You will build 6 sentences, 1 for each main word, and you can use 20 helper words. Try to use there is and there are when it sounds natural.
That sounds useful.
First, see an example as Nexo does the exercise, so you know what to do. Then, make your sentences with the main words and the helper words. Take your time and write short, clear sentences. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes. Let's make the sentences. Bed. There is a bed in my room. Lamp. There is a lamp on the nightstand. Pillows. There are 2 pillows on the bed. Wardrobe. There is a wardrobe near the door. Mirror. There is a mirror on the wall. Rug. There is a small rug on the floor.
Nice work, Nexo.
Thank you. I made simple sentences.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. You reviewed bedroom objects and there is and there are by writing.
Bye. See you next time.
Goodbye, and keep practicing your English writing.